Hi students. To get up for the holidays, Halloween being the next holiday, I've submitted the Monster Mash for us to learn its basic chords, which are on that first page, our first chords. The G family, which of course is G. Oh, and the strum for this is just the down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And the G chord, and then at the bottom of that first chords in the middle is E minor, and then in the middle is the C, and then a D, and then those are the chords basically throughout. And the progression's kind of nice. You have a comfortable amount of time on each chord before you anticipate having to change. Now, at a slow tempo, which is like the Horse with No Name tempo, about 56, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight, for my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, it was a graveyard smash. He did the mash. It caught on in a flash. He did the mash. It did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to catch a jolt from my electrodes. He did the mash, etc. Now, the changes are pretty the same. Well, with one exception. The chorus here, the zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. So I'll take it from right there. Same slow tempo. And let me move the cursor so you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group. The Crypt Keeper 5, he did the mash, and then more of that. So let me turn the metronome off. You basically you could almost memorize this piece because it's G, E, 2 measures, C, 2 measures, 2 measures, and repeat. So G, E minor, C, and D, with the exception of the chorus. Let's see. Oh, and then down the open the lid. Yeah, that's the one. There's a third page too. It's more of the You Can Mash. Yeah, by Boris Pickett. Bobby Boris Pickett. Have fun, students.